Before steel structure was installed, we need to level this foundation first. Then when the steel structure is pre-installed, we need to ensure that all screw holes can be threaded. Then we can adjust the levelness relative to the ground, including a flatness of modules and modules, including a flatness of the back wall, a flatness of the bathroom wall, the flatness of these walls. Because there is some gap between our screw holes and screws, it can be installed and then adjusted for this flatness. This is a flooring concrete slab. It's a base layer for the ground. Paste this stone tendon board on the base layer. This is the base board for one of interior walls, a 9 cm European pine board. This is the XPS board. It serves a thermal insulation function. The insulation board is fixed to this skeleton. This is bamboo wood fiber board, interior wall cladding panel. This is a metal engraving board. It's facade panels. After putting all the skeletons together, then finish the aluminum alloy installation too. Then lock all these screws tightly, leveling this plane. Then we can start installing our grassroots and finish the skeleton aluminum alloy. Then we will install ground baseboard. Install the baseboard horizontally. And then we're going to install this wall base plate. The base plate fix it directly with screws. The same goes for this floor base plate. It can be fixed directly on these steel frames with screws. After installing one of our interior wall panels, we will install our Installaion XPS boards. Our insulation board, it was filled in this gap in this square tube. And then there are 3 centimeters left. It is used to run one of the pipelines of this water and electricity. After installing the insulation, install all pre-embedded components like electrical wiring. After the water and electricity are installed, we'll just install our exterior panels. Align this plate side horizontally with the frame. Align the underside of the board horizontally with the baffle. It can be fixed with screws to fix and connect. Just look at this card slot directly like this. The second piece is directly like this. The side can be stuck directly like this. It's like this, just pile it on piece by piece. Okay, and then after loading, this position needs to be glued to seal it. These areas all need to be filled with foam sealant to prevent insect entry. Now back here, after installing ground area layer and wall area layer, these places also need to carry out gluing treatment to prevent these ants from being in this gap. after the electrical wiring and light openings are all completed. Then begin laying the bamboo wood fiber board. Secure it with fasteners through the interlocking holes. Then the back of this one needs to be glued.